Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make rose water at home. Rose water has many benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness caused by irritation. It is often used as a facial cleanser before bed because it removes extra dirt. Rose water works even as a refreshing moisturizer spray that can be used throughout the day. Rose water in the bath for refreshing fragrant experience without causing irritation. Rose water is also a nice alternative to perfume, a great alternative to hair masks that compensates the loss of moisture and makes your hair shiny. Before we start, a few tips. Always choose the ones which are free from pesticides. Wash well before using the roses. If you are growing them on your own, no worries about the chemical fertilizers. But make sure to pluck them at the early morning for the best results. We are going to use organic rose petals from my garden, distilled water, and in the end, vegetable glycerin. We are also going to need a pot, a mug, or a ceramic bowl. Put the roses around the bowl like I do. Now, when the pot is full of rose petals, we can add distilled water. I'm going to add just a few more rose petals because there is enough space. Now, cover your pot with a lid. I'm going to use a glass lid, so I can see through what is going on with my roses. And I'm going to put it on the very slow heat. When condensation occurs, put some ice on the lid. This speeds up the process of the water evaporates. I'm cooking my roses for about hour and a quarter on a very slow heat. You will do this until the roses petals change color. You will get two colors of rose water. This first is transparent, which is distilled, and it will usually be rose water, and second has color. Now, I'm going to take everything out and put it into the jars so you can see. You need strainer and some cheesecloth. So, just to notice, when you are straining your rose water, it has to be completely cold. You don't want to burn yourself. And now I'm done. As you can see, we have two colors of rose water, transparent and red. While you're straining your rose water, squeeze petals as much as you can. It's not gross. It's excellent rose water and is full of valuable liquid. Now add 5 drops of glycerin into your rose water. If your skin is very dry, you might want to put some more glycerin. Red rose water is equally valuable as transparent one. You don't want to worry, as you can see, you won't turn into the red. It smells wonderful. It smells just like roses. You can store your rose water for a very long time. I believe for longer than a year. But it never happened in my case. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And see you in my next video. Bye!